All right, let's dive right in. Today, we're talking about something that affects pretty much everyone, and a French deep tech startup that is about to completely change the game. And trust me, it's something you are absolutely going to want to see at CES 2026. But first, let me ask you something. In this age of AI and total personalization for everything, why is finding the right skincare still such a shot in the dark? You know the drill. You read reviews, you try something new, and you just hope for the best. I mean, it's a story we all know, right? That bathroom cabinet, just overflowing with bottles and jars that are half used. Every single one was an experiment, a failed one, in that frustrating and really expensive search for something that actually works for your skin.
But what if the problem isn't even the products themselves? What if the real problem is our entire approach? For years, we've just been matching products to symptoms. You know, redness here, dryness there, instead of getting to the actual root cause of the issue.
And this is where things get really, really exciting. We're going to shift from the problem to the solution. A French startup called ByomeLabs is throwing out all that guesswork and replacing it with hard science. We're talking about a level of personalization the beauty industry has been chasing for years. And here it is. This is the tool that makes it all happen. Byome Derma. Now, it might look simple, but this little kit is packed with some seriously impressive deep tech. And it's all designed to give you real answers, right on the spot. So how in the world does it work? Well, the secret is all about understanding your skin microbiome. The best way to think about it is like a fingerprint for your skin. It's a completely unique ecosystem of tiny organisms that basically runs the show when it comes to your skin's health, what it needs, and how it's going to react to certain things. And that leads to the company's core philosophy, which, honestly, is a total game changer. They say, there is no good or bad product, only incompatibilities. That just reframes everything, doesn't it? The question stops being, is this a good product? And it becomes, is this the right product for my specific microbiome? So you've got this deep tech, this microbiology, this AI, but what does that actually mean for you or for a customer in a store? It means a revolution in speed and simplicity. Forget about sending samples to a lab and waiting weeks. We're talking about minutes. I mean, just look at the difference here. On one side, you've got the old way, throwing money down the drain, months of frustration and irritated skin. And on the other, you have the future that ByomeLabs is building. It's fast, it's based on actual data, and it's precise. And the process itself is so simple. It's just 3 steps. First, you just use a simple swab to collect a sample. Second, you apply it to a test strip. It's a lot like a COVID test. And third, a dermatologist-trained AI instantly analyzes it and gives you product recommendations backed by science. It's easy enough to do in any store, any pharmacy, anywhere. 3, that's it. 3 minutes. In less time than it takes to just browse the products on a shelf, a customer can get a definitive, data-driven answer about what their skin actually needs. That, right there, is the power of on-the-spot diagnostics. Okay, I know what you're thinking. A 3-minute revolution? It sounds almost too good to be true, right? So, is this for real? Well, let's take a look at the foundation ByomeLabs has built. This isn't just some clever idea. This is a serious company that's ready to grow. Well, let's talk money first. They've already locked in a 3.6 million euro seed round from some key investors. And that money is being put to work right now to build up their production and get ready for their international launch. And then you've got the people, the brains behind it all. A team of 17 experts with decades of experience in microbiology, immunology, and AI. So you know the brain power behind this is absolutely top-notch. And where they're located? Well, that says it all. ByomeLabs is based in France's Cosmetic Valley. That's the #1 spot in the world for cosmetics research and development. They are at the literal epicenter of beauty innovation, which gives them unbelievable credibility. Okay, so what does all of this mean for you? Especially if you're packing your bags for Las Vegas for CES 2026. Listen up, because this is the real opportunity. This is why you need to pay attention. Just look at how fast they're moving. They were founded at the end of 2023, raised all that money in 2025, and they're starting full-scale production this year. And that timeline is aimed squarely at one thing: US and global expansion starting in 2026. CES is their launchpad. So, who needs to be booking a meeting with these guys? Well, if you're with a major retail or pharmacy chain, this is how you stop customers from getting overwhelmed in your aisles. If you're a big skincare brand, this is how you prove your products actually work. And of course, for any investors, distributors, or media out there, this is your chance to get in on the ground floor of a revolution. The message here is really simple. They've got the tech, they've got the funding, and they've got the team. What they're looking for now are the right strategic partners to help them launch and scale across the US. They are ready to hit the ground running. And all of this leaves us with one final, pretty powerful question. By turning skin health from a complete guessing game into a data science, companies like ByomeLabs aren't just launching a cool new product. They might just be kicking off a whole new era for the entire industry. Definitely something to think about.